a question from David here. So how does the design of the mold change or affect how you machine different features of the part? A little bit more detail. Can it become a little more problematic if you run into porosity or potential air pockets?
If there's going to be inconsistency in wall thickness, you're going to run into flow issues. So there's ways to work around it to make sure you're not getting any shrink or porosity. So we can add on gates and risers and venting to help allow the mold to fill out more evenly, but you will run into potential issues with that if you are requiring different wall thicknesses. But really what's great about casting is you can cast in features and then again machine away. So Stephanie has a really good part right here where we cast in all of the fins, and then we even have a window where we can go and machine it down to the correct size it needs to be. So you can cast in a lot of those features and then go in and even reduce the wall thickness by machining away certain areas. This part right here, if you're going to machine it from billet, you're going to have to waste all this material that comes through the center. Where if you were to cast it, you can either cast it with a sand core to get the internal feature, or you can do a steel core and then machine away the draft.
Right, so Batesville Products specifically has a 3-degree draft that's necessary for our parts to eject from our presses. If a customer calls out for something that's less than 3 degrees, we're able to machine that material away from the casting to create the tolerance needed for our end users.